टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कोई ट्रिक ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन सीखेंगे। चलो देखते हैं। ये हमारा दिया गया इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ फॉर्म इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ax प्लस बी डिवाइड cx प्लस dd। दैट मींस न्यूमरेटर भी आपका लीनियर इक्वेशन हो और डिनोमिनेटर भी लीनियर इक्वेशन हो। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए वेरी सिंपल और स्मार्ट ट्रिक क्या, ध्यान दो। सबसे पहला काम है ax, दिस ax डिवाइड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर minus cross multiply, that is AD minus BC, divide, that is coefficient of x, that is c square, into log of denominator, that is cx plus d plus c. Every time you can use this technique when numerator is a linear equation and denominator is also a linear equation. चलो देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप देखो इसी के बेस पर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 4x प्लस 3 and divided by 3x plus 5 dx. तो आपने देखा, this is numerator, this is the linear equation, and this is also denominator, it is a linear equation. So we can use the trick. So ax means 4x, so this is 4x, divide c means 3, so this is 4x by 3, minus, now this is AD minus BC, so this is 4 into 5, 20 minus 9. 4 into 5, 20 minus 3, 3 is 9. So 20 minus 9. So you can write here 20 minus 9. Okay. You can write directly 11 also. So 4 5s are 20 minus 3 3 is 9. And divided by what? That is c square. C square is what? 3. 3 square 9. So this is 9. And then here log of. Log of what? That is log of denominator. So denominator is what? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 plus c, constant of integration. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे, this is 4x by 3 and this is 20 minus 9, 11. So this is minus 11 upon 9 and log of 3x plus 5 plus c. This is the right answer very easily. तो आपने देखा कि दिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को वेरी सिंपल तरीके से, वेरी इजी तरीके से आप बना सकते हो अगर आपको ये फॉर्मेट याद हो। और ये फॉर्मेट बिल्कुल आसान है, सिंपल। ध्यान रखना, ax दैट इज 4x डिवाइडेड बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x दैट इज 3 माइनस AD minus BC, 4 5s are 20 minus 3 3 is 9. So 20 minus 9 divides c square. That is c is what? 3. So that is 3 square 9 into log of denominator, that is 3x plus 5. Now simplify this. 4x by 3, 20 minus 9, that is 11 by 9 log of 3x plus 5 plus c is the right answer. Again you see second question. Second question is again integration of. This is given 5x plus 2 and this is what? 2x plus 1 dx. We can solve this question very easily with the help of this format. So again you see ax by c. Ax is what? 5x. So you can write 5x upon, that is c is here 2. So 5x by 2 minus again AD minus BC. So a is what? 5. So 5 into 1, 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4, you can write here 5 minus 4 divided by what? That is c square. C is what? 2. So 2 square 4. So this is 4. And then log of denominator. So denominator what? 2x plus 1. So you can write here 2x plus 1 plus c. This is the right answer. Just simplify it. So this is 5x by 2 minus 5 minus 4 1. So this is 1 by 4. This is log of 2x plus 1 plus c. This is right answer. In the same way, you have a third question. So third question is what? Integration of 1 minus x and divided by 2x plus 3 dx. यहाँ भी आपने देखा, numerator is what? This is the linear equation and denominator what? This is the linear equation. So you can use the same trick here, but it is the form ax plus b, here 1 minus x. So just you write this in the form. So you can write this minus x plus 1 and here what? This is 2x plus 3 dx. Now you can use. So what is here? Formula a is what? Minus 1. So my formula is ax by c. So ax by c, that is the minus x by 2. and then what is this? Minus AD minus BC. So A is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 3. So minus 1 into 3 is what? Minus 3, and minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2, and divided by C square. So C is what? 2. 2 square is 4. Right? Again you write log of denominator. So denominator is what? 2x plus 3. So this is 2x plus 3 plus C. Now simplified. So this is what? Minus x by 2. And this is minus 5. So minus minus plus. So this is 5 by 4 log of 2x plus 3 plus C. This is the right answer. In this way, you can solve any type of question which is given in the, you can say, ratio of the two linear equation. कभी भी अगर आपको linear equation का ratio दिया हो, numerator भी linear equation और denominator भी linear equation, तो ये डायरेक्ट इस फॉर्मूले का यूज कर सकते हो. Thank you.